Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with ramen. Start by simmering chicken and aromatics to build a clear, flavorful broth, then add vegetables and seasonings. Keep ramen separate until the end to preserve texture and prevent mushy noodles. Finish with fresh herbs and a splash of acid to brighten the bowl, and serve hot with optional chili oil or soy for extra depth and comfort. Gather ingredients and prep everything before you heat a pot to streamline cooking and reduce stress. Chop vegetables evenly so they cook at the same rate, and shred chicken into bite-sized pieces when tender. Measure salt and any condiments ahead of time, because adjusting seasoning late is harder. Keep ramen packets separate and consider their cooking time versus your broth intensity to decide when to add them for best texture and flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while stirring and tasting, with a leak-proof cap that's perfect for busy cooks who sip between steps. It's great in the kitchen or on the go, and it pairs humorously with soup tasting duty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a cold pot, cover chicken with water, and bring to a gentle simmer to extract flavor without emulsifying fats. Skim foam early for a clearer broth and add harder vegetables first, then softer vegetables closer to serving. When the chicken is falling off the bone, remove, shred, and return meat briefly to warm through. Add ramen only at the end, following package timings to avoid soggy noodles and maintain satisfying bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.